Wabagari, number 10. Back to Bubbles. Bubbles for Wabagari. In controlling. They're trying to find number 8. Sima. Still push the ball wide. Looking to find. Still with the ball. Beatong is going to be a free kick for Beatong Bakatong. 0-0 ball game early inside this first half. Beatong Bakatong versus Wabagari. In control once again with the Beatong Bakatong. Beatong pushed the ball but intercepted by number 3 for Wabagari FC. Wabagari it's set to no. By number 11 for Wabagari push wide, trying to find number 77, but calm goalkeeper there. For Beatong Bakatong, the Paki homeboys. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, you're live on 91.7 for Garifuna Radio Station here in beautiful Culture Capital, headed by Jerome Avila. Number 99 there for Wabagari. In controlling now, calm that ball down, looking for number 3 there for Wabagari. He said to no. Push wide. Errant pass there by Wabagari. Trying to get the ball under control there by Beatong Bakatong. Daniel Arzu, number 37. Therefore, Beatong Bakatong. Push the ball wide to the Colombian defender there for Beatong Bakatong. Back there by Wabagari. He said to no. That's Gian Avila. The striker there for the big number 9 there for Wabagari. He said to no. In control in there. Cool that ball down by Daniel Arzu all the way back to the Colombian defender. Beatong Bakatong trying to launch an attack. Headed out there by Jerome Avila. Still, it's going to be a foul there by Beatong Bakatong. Paddle. Commit that foul early inside the first half. He's going to leave the ball for Jerome Avila. Avila looking for Bubbles. Still in control for Wabagari. He said to no. Bubbles lose control there. Taken away there by the Colombian. Still, Beatong Bakatong. Rice. Still push wide looking there for. It's going to be an errant pass there. So there we ball game. This broadcast is brought to you by Rude Boy. Yes, Perfect 10. Rock Bottoms. Elaku Spot. Yes, we bring it to you live into your living room. Live at ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the game. I'm alongside here, the youngest MC in the world. His name is Wadani Paki. This is Paki home team, but we're going to see what happens tonight. Let's see what will happen. Let's see if he'll cry tonight. Let's see if we'll find Paki tonight under the table. But no, Jerome Avila, number 99, is stolen away by Beatong Bakatong. All the way back, Jerome Avila. It's going to be a foul. 0-0 ball game. 0-0. This is the third and final game for tonight's showcase, brought to you by the Stampede Football Association, Football Federation of Belize. I want to thank Rude Boy for making it possible. Rude Boy. Yes. The Perfect 10, Rock Bottoms, Elaku Spot. Alongside, once again, number 19 there for Beatong Bakatong. Still, they're trying to find, but intercepted there by Bubbles. Bubbles trying to find second number 8. 8 in controlling. Push that ball wide, trying to find. Who is it going to be? Intercepted there by Kawat Nicholas. In controlling. Nicholas looking to find the midfielder there. Floor. Put the ball back to the general. To the general number 37, Daniel Arzu. In control once again, Nicholas. Yes, youngest MC, you're not going to commentate this game tonight. I am going to commentate it. We don't want to give you no break tonight, Paki. Just hold the seat, relax. Relax, it's a 0-0 ball game. Beatong Bakatong launches. Good shot. What a shot there by Beatong Bakatong early inside this. First off. Youngest MC, sit back and relax. You're not going to commentate. This is your team. This is their team. I'm taking it away. It's going to be a corner kick there for Beatong Bakatong. And their hands are itching for this mic. You're not going to get it. Take it away there. Trying to find someone inside the box. Trying to find someone inside the 6-yard box there for Bakatong. Head of the number 10 there. Still, Kawat Nicholas. Nicholas trying to chip the ball. Goalkeeper! Paki! Do you see that? No, Paki. No, not tonight. I'm gonna commentate.
We gonna go down there?
No, don't go down there, Paki. No. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Do you want to hear him? Do you want to hear the youngest MC? I don't think so. If you want to roll, let's roll it. It's still early inside the first half, and they'll let us set to there by goalkeeper for Wabagari. He said, still high kick, big kick up in the air, chopped down there by Wabagari. For Beatown, much stronger player there for Beatown.
Brooks.
Brooksy from still grass, still looking all the way back for court. Nicholas trying to find Papa there for Beatown, back at home. Intercepted by Barra number 11 there for Wabagari FC. Looking to find the big bad bubbles. No, is that?
Panamanian.
Who's that? Is that the Panamanian striker? The Panama? Robert Mendoza? Is that him? That's Stanley Morio. Good recruiting there. Good pick up there by Stanley Morio, the coach for Wabagari FC. He got the Panamanian striker. This means that Bakadog is going to be in trouble tonight. Once the number 10 Panamanian striker is alive and kicking, it's going to be a ball game tonight. I just see him, Bucky. I just see him. I just see Panamanian striker. This is an exciting football match.
Good drive,
Early. Once again, this broadcast has been brought to you by Rude Boy, The Perfect 10, Rock Bottoms, Ella Cool Spot, Stanford Football Association, in conjunction with Football Federation of Belize. Pocky, you want the mic?
No, you want already.
Take it away.
Centers inside the bite. Goalkeeper, pull it up for young and upstart. Wabagari. The young and the upstart. Big kick high in the air. Big kick, rolling. Bally Verho. Floor, beat off. Floor. Number 8, bring it back. Ernest Shane paddle. Robert Mendoza. Bring it back to Barry. Nicholas off the field for Nicholas. Bobby actually for Wabagari. Number 11 to take that 2 on the Vine Road. Number 10, Robert Mendoza. Lima. Goalkeeper. Brooks, Bryce. Big kick for Bryce. Bowing off the field, I'll be a train for Wabagari. There, take that 2, bring it back to number 11. Barry, number 11. Bring it back to Derek, number 3. Derek. Bryce, Brooks. Big kick for Bryce. Beat up. Bowing out the field, Bobby a corner kick for Beatown. Middle, first half. Game 3. Final game for close up week 8. Floor, number 8, floor. Sentence, lose control. Wabagari, Lima, bring back to Robert Mendoza. Bring back to number 11. Barry. Papa take that 2, bring back to Donald R2, big kick. Arlen Mendoza. 4. Donald R2. Bring back to Papa. Half the field for Papa, I'll be a turn for Wabagari. Barry will take that 2. Number 77. Bowing out the field, Bobby a turn for Wabagari.
He said to know. That's Wabagari, he said to know.
Number 10 will take that 2, Robert Mendoza. Robert Mendoza take that 2. Head up for Papa Bobby a corner kick for Wabagari. first game tonight, big against Speed. Big victory, 9 goals to nil over move on the prize. Game 2, Hopkins with Conquerors, 2 goals to 1. Right now, game 3 with a nil-nil. Fabian is going for a move, Wabagari. Nobody knows the thing on off, inside the one. Look, by the one toe. Leave out. Ready, back. Control. Big kick. Beat out on the contact. Goalkeeper. Bring it back. Down the middle. Wabagari. Bring it back to Lima. Bring it back. Back to Lima. No, yet Lima. Lima lose control. Go at Nicolas, beat up, back at him. Beat up, go at Nicolas. Bowing out the view while we are trying for beat up. Flow take the toe. Pollard, Jervis. Number 9, Ernest Shane Paddle. Beat up, Bryce Brooks. Paddle, Ernest Shane Paddle. Fire! What a shot! What a save! Aye, what a save! Boy, like it!
Young SMC. Young SMC, wonderful work. Wonderful work there by your homeboys beat down. That was a rocket launcher there by the Paddle. Ernest Shane Paddle. 0-0 ball game, ladies and gentlemen. It's a 0-0 ball game. Now, B-Top trying to get on the scoreboard, blocked there by Wabagari. They're trying to Shane Paddle fake, but Bubbles say no. It's my ball. Pushed up out wide. Trapped down there by B-Top. Bakaton is going to be a throw in there for Wabagari. He said to no.
She doesn't reach.
Archie strong. Magdaleno coming up strong. South Coast Rock. South Coast Rock to the world. Yes, the legendary Frank Archie Magdaleno gracing the stage, gracing the commentator booth alongside the young SMC. Big kick to Shane Paddle trying to find. Is it in nowhere land? He found it. It's going to be offside. He get caught in the cookie jar. That's Byron trying to get caught in the cookie jar. He's trying to slow jog, but referee said no. It is offside. Once again, we are live on 91.7 FM DYFA Garifuna Radio Station alongside. We want to say big up to our homeboys there out in the Club Key. Goalkeeper holding it down there for a beat down Bakaton. Donald Arzu, cool, calm. Trying to find for what Nicolas. Trying to get around Gian Avila. Gian working hard up top. Gian Avila trying to throw the ball away right to the leg. Throw it away from Gian. Shield the ball well. It's going to be a foul. Ball will be there for Wabagari. He's setting a wonderful defense there by Gian Avila. Big player. Number 13 there for Wabagari. He's setting up in the attack. Centers there, intercepted still. Wabagari. Kowat Nicolas push wide looking for number 19.
Jervis.
That's Jervis.
Good blow.
Working hard there.
David.
Wonderful play from behind. Slip pass down the middle of the Barry. Trying to put him in a cycle. He gets lost just now. He got confused on the line. Hey, this is how beautiful football is. But they're gonna make it look easy. They back from the ball, one touch ball along the line. B-Town is confused.
Early.
Packy, we know it's early inside the ball game. Packy, you take it away.
Yeah, Archie doesn't. Yeah, Archie.
Take it away, Packy.
Early, get
Simple football.
early.
It's
Early.
very effective football.
Early, bro.
Very Packy, take your job serious.
Early, bro. Come on, bro.
Don't
Early.
cry. Please don't cry,
We
Packy.
cry early, bro.
Packy, come on, Packy. Come on, Packy. Come on, young SMC.
We cry early, bro.
Compose yourself. Compose yourself. Oh, man, Packy. Don't behave like that, Packy.
Early, bro.
Please,
Early, bro.
please don't
Early,
behave
bro.
like that, Packy. It's only a one goal. Come on, Packy, take it away. Don't behave like that.
Early, bro. Bro, one thing, bro. Me not cry, bro. Cause early. Now, not first half early. They still got 145 minutes early. 1-0, walk around up over B-Town. That's how we roll it. Bam, 2 easy. Bobby for B-Town. Back at up. B-Town. Big kick. Head of Arlen Mendoza. Lay him out with the head. Foul for the R2.
We know you feel it, Packy. We know. Don't worry about it. We know. Sweet pain, baby. Sweet pain. Don't worry about it, Pac. You'll be alright.
Bobby Ver, Wabagari. He says, no. Wabagari. Bring it back to the defense. Wabagari.
I told you about the Panamanian striker. He's a dangerous guy.
Bring it back to the young goalkeeper. The young goalkeeper was him back. Bring it back. To Derek. Bring it back to Arlen Mendoza. Arlen. Off the field. Turn over. Ajay. Turn over. Bobby, I tell you for B-Town. Papa. Bring it back to Kuat Nicholas. Bobby for Arlen Mendoza. Big it for Arlen. You like it? One thing you like. Bobby for paddle. Kuat Nicholas. Floor. B-Town. Back at all. For this. Bobby for who B-Town. Free kick. 1-0. Actually, we have a 5:30. The youngest announced that have a 5:30 actually.
Team will take a lead.
Why? Actually, no, with GNO. Hurt now? Me young, but with GNO.
Tired, buddy, boy.
Tired, boy. Me like old people. Serious actually.
Tired, Pac?
Me alone first, yes, second. Why? Actually, me not right now actually.
Don't say I don't help you back, man. Come on, man.
And I help me second. Like, easy after that. Yeah.
Alright. You take a little break.
Fired! What a shot! Wonderful shot! Goal kick! Fair! Okay, ready? Actually ready? You know ready?
Roll, Pac. You're young. When you say a legend, you respect a legend. You know when to speak to a legend. Yeah, tell her when you're ready, Pac. You roll. You're young. You roll it.
Roll it, yo. Young man, roll. Bobby Ver, okay, ready? Goal kick. Big kick. What? Forward. Jervis, forward.
Yeah.
Come on, forward. I went out the field. Bobby walk. Goal kick for. Walk early.
Good game, guys. Good game. I mean, I'm still want to eat on the tamales after the game, Pac.
Who's that? 1-0 and nothing, bro.
Alright, who? You see how much Bancaras give?
1-0.
James don't want to get it.
Huh?
Pollard, Jervis, Papa. Bring it back to what Nicholas. Lose Derek. Go at Nicholas with the chest. Barry. Bowing off the field, Bobby are trying for walking early. Barry will take that tour. He leave it back to number 3, Derek.
It's 1 goes to nil in favor of Wakerale. He's sitting on. 1 goes to nil.
Papa. Big keep on Papa. Wakerale. Byron with the steal, lose control. Lima. Big keep for Lima. Torrell. Flow. Bring it back, Byron Chavez. Foul. Free kick for Beto. Back at all. Beto. Broke up on the road. Beto, flow. Byron. Paddle. Flow. With the give and go. Botero. Big kick. Give me 2 grams. Give me 2 grams. Fall. For the goal getter.
The kid didn't score, right?
Broke up by Arlen Mendoza. Keenan, number 9. The goal getter. Lose control. High foot. Foul. Bobby Verhool. Wagerale. First division 2026 inside the mighty Karamas, you know, on a beautiful wallet Thursday. We don't sort that anyway. Please, nothing can drive over the weekend. Make sure no got driver. We know the drink.
Super.
God, this talent, right? This talent. Actually, this talent. What a good friend actually behave.
The losers that people already survive. No more.
Papa. Put out off the field.
Okay, is the team still going to get tamales after the game?
Derek will take the tour.
Yes or no?
1 by number 11. Jerome. Avila. Papa. Pollard. Jervis. Derek. Big kick. Derek. Bring him back to number 11. Bar lose control. Papa. Pollard off the field. Derek will take that throw. Robert Mendoza. Papa. Robert Mendoza.
Panama, boy.
Robert Mendoza. Barry, number 11. Marshall. Bring it back. Robert Mendoza. Paddle. Ernest Shane. Paddle. Beat out. Lose control. Ball. Bobby for Wagerale. A 3.
Roll.
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 Man, I had that boy.
Bobby for Wagerale. Big kick. Papa. Pollard. Throw in. Throw in for me, Tom.
Yeah, you young SMC.
Papa will take the throw. Bring it back to Ernest Shane Paddle. Ernest Shane Paddle. Paddle. Flow, lose control. Robert Mendoza. Bobby Hobari, number 11. Marshall. Ball down the field for Papa. Bobby are doing for Wabagari. Throw in. Wabagari. Bring it back to bar. Number 3. Derek.
Huh? Huh?
Bring it back. Number 8.
Fuck, man.
Wabagari. Robert. Mendoza. Robert. Bring it back to Keenan. Outside knife for Rolly. Barry. Goalkeeper. Keenan. Number 9. The goal getter. Bring it back. Lose control. Beat out. Flow. And he got that up. Big kick. Off the field. Throw in for Beaton. 1-0. First half. 1-0 down. We in there. And the Godfather of Puntara. Chico, Ramos, and in the field. Stiggers. So over this. We are here. Over this. We are here. We are married to her. She burn like me. Huh? Baron Chavez. Lose control. But with half the field, we are trained for Wabagari. We are here. Burn like me.
Yes, I say welcome to Carl Stadium once again. The Prince of Fontarak, Chico Ramos, look at himself. He's in the house tonight. Paki say I'm married to her.
Yay.
Lele.
She's sister like me.
Yes, so once again inside the legendary Carl Ramos Stadium, ladies and gentlemen. It's a 1-0 in favor of Wabagari. On the other. Wonderful try. You gotta take them to get him. If you want to get a goal, you gotta take the kick. You gotta take the kick, Paki. That's what your boys are not doing. But let's see. Yeah. 1 goes to 0 in favor of Wabagari. He said to know. Active.
Come on, bro.
Go, Paki, please.
Let that be bad, man.
Come on, Paki. Come on. We don't want you to cry. Don't cry. It's not time to cry, Paki.
Luan bad, bro.
A foul is a foul. Respect the referee call,
Luan
Paki.
bad.
Please.
Right. What kind of foul that?
No, you gotta be fair, Paki. You
You
gotta be fair. You gotta be fair. Please, let's be respectable on the line. You gotta be fair. Again, ladies and gentlemen, the shield up power by Chavez. Byron Chavez looking to find number 19 there.
Come on, man.
Lose control. Barry now on the attack now. Barry said, let me. They're on the attack once again. They pass now.
Outside.
Once again, number 77. He got caught. He hand in and a cookie jar.
Jump up for that.
Hand. Still push wide there. That is the Colombian defender for Vito. Paki, how many imported players you guys have? Take it away.
4.
No. How many many imports you guys have? Okay.
Five. They go get up. They go get up. They go get up. Clear. Big kick. Beat on the run. Pollard.
That's a good player. Pollard is a good player.
Pollard. Come on, Pollard. Floor. Come on, floor, man.
Okay, calm down. Don't worry. You said it's early. It's still early in the first half. You the one that says early.
That 45 minutes,
Right?
the way how you look. You look like 30.
Okay, relax, man. Relax. Just keep your cool, Paki.
Can't.
Keep your cool. Comment it. Go ahead. You
I
guys
want
say
to
the
warm
word.
me. I want to warm up.
And great.
$2. Roll it. Bryce. Brooks.
Ladies and gentlemen, just so you know,
Bring it back.
Beaton is down 1 goes to nil, and our commentator,
Bring it back. Bryce. Brooks. Bryce.
he's not bringing out the vibrant, that voice again. He's losing it, right?
He has money.
Yeah. Weather the change. He's coughing up here, you could hear him.
Why would be like kayaking or beat down?
Sleepy, say tired.
When I was school.
The man walked me today, man said, well, man said, go to Peter Hopkins. I wait for him to pick up his phone. He don't pick up his phone.
Lean up, boy.
Beat up. With general. Rose control.
Wrong beat.
Bowing off the field.
No. Abang Logan.
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 Respect it.
Forrest.
Respect the referee call.
Ball for man. Ball for you, Raleigh.
I'm OBT. I'm going to kick my player like head then. That's the problem.
Maki is riding. You know he's riding, ladies and gentlemen.
I'll be you a free kick for Wabagari. Power technique. Free kick for Beaton. Power technique.
Beaton trying to score a goal because
Now we'll bet to our. Now we'll bet to.
I know I saw super sub change.
Oh, we got boom, you know. Good. Free kick. Power technique free kick. Centers. Why do I show off this game, bro?
Oh. Lucky beat neutral, man.
Be neutral, Paki. Be neutral. Be neutral. Come on, be neutral.
Beat neutral, man. What is now I'm going to get you back?
Right. Beat up. Back down. On the contact, lose control. Walk your leg. I'll be full of them. Side. I'm going to look good.
The commentator is
I'm going to
upset.
Commentator is in his feeling.
For everyone on the live right now, our commentator, youngest MC, is taking a lick right now. And please bear with us. We're trying to calm him down. A tree is counseling him. You know? So score is 2-1 goes to nil in favor of Wabagari, the upstart. The
Bring it back to Jervis. Pollard. Jervis. Come on, Jervis, mate.
Oh man.
Okay, calm down.
I can't hear what, boy. Bye.
Let the fool
These
out.
guys are really throwing off the MC. He can't even commentate right now.
Mendoza.
Yeah.
Come on, do it, man.
He's feeling it, ladies and gentlemen.
It's sad, though.
Yeah, it's sad to see.
Sorry for my boy. But I checked my bag for that aspirin.
If anybody could bring up upstairs to the commentator about some aspirin or some Tylenol for a commentator, right now he's in a thing. And he said that's our long game, you know. And if you look at the bench, let's zoom into the Beaton bench right there. They have a lot of sub right now, and the 5 change they could make. They have about 6 man they warm up right now for Beaton. Let's go back to the match. Backy, let's go. Take it away.
Bobby Wabagari. Donald R2. Floor. Put on. Jervis. Put on. Back to floor. The general. Floor. Bring it back. To the left defense. D-Tongue. Paddle. Big kick. Way to give him go. Under by Baron Chavez. Come on, man!
Man, oh man, you guys hear that?
Bobby ain't on tip. Me want to bleed. Right, throw me after.
Sorry for that, ladies and gentlemen. The commentator just walk off. He just walk off the job because we will have to cut off the live here in a minute. Our commentator is gone. We don't know what happened. His team is down. 1-0. He gets feelings. We know that he shouldn't have been commentating this game because this is his team, right? Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. We'll hope and pray that he'll come back to the commentator booth. But as we go, ladies and gentlemen, I will try to roll here. Beatong, Bakatong, high kick up in the air. He's trying to find number 77, but head up to Jerome Avila. The ball is chested by the Panamanian striker. The striker now Beatong, Bakatong, Kowak, Nicolas cooled that ball down looking for the Colombian mid. He was tackled there by the Panamanian striker. It's going to be a throw in there for Beatong, Bakatong. 1 second, ladies and gentlemen, is 1-0 in favor of the mighty Wagari. Yeah, the youngest MC is gone. Packy, he got upset. Sorry for that, ladies and gentlemen. I think he's coming back. So hopefully, can you guys hear him in the background? Once again now. No, when he attack once again, side there back. He's offside there. The water saved by the water. This is the same team. This is the same team that had a parade through the streets and they were dancing in front of Conqueror's home base. This is the same team. No. Stolen away. Strong play there. Young player. No, the Panamanian striker. The striker trying to find their own. Trying to find Gian, but stolen away there by Beatong again. Beatong Mendoza. Looking to find Sima. Paddle. No, referee said no, do not cry today. Can you hear the youngest MC in the world? He's screaming out the top of his lungs there for offside.
Offside!
He's crying for offside.
But
once again, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here. I'm here to help you to understand the game today. He walk off the job, but let me tell you something. This is football. We love this sport. We love it.
yeah.
What the young SMC did was a sin. He just committed a sin, but we're back in live action, ladies and gentlemen. Beatong, Bakatong on the attack now. You're looking for Paddle. Take it away. He's back. Take it away.
Beatong. on, man.
What? Time. Time.
Come on, they tonight. They dress me up, bro.
Yeah. Winston Martinez, we hear you, boy. We hear you. We hear you, my boy. We hear you. We hear you. That's how he acts sometimes. Gian Avila lose control there. Gian is a dangerous player once he gets the ball on his feet. But now on the attack once again there. Trying to get around Jerome, his brother, the defender, is right there, working hard for his home team. Wagarele, he said to know. That's the name of the team. Wagarele, he said to know. Throw the ball into Paddle Shane. Paddle center that ball. Big kick out of my life by Mendoza. Still in control and once again. Calm that ball down, beat on, back at on. Attack after attack. They're launching a lot of attack. They're trying to build a play through the middle. But the block, they're intercepted there by Bubbles. Bubbles looking for.
That he can't get that. That win.
Packy is trying to discourage the other team. He's riding hard. You know, after this game, they will eat tamales. That is their regular thing. That is their regular thing after the game. The whole team will eat tamales. Yes. Yes, I want to thank Rude Boy for your sponsorship. Thank you, Perfect 10. Thank you, Ella Coolspot. Also, I want to thank ladies. No, Gian Avila, big player, wonderful pass, looking for trying to find the Panamanian striker. The Panamanian striker, Panama block there now. Still number 11, Marshall. David Marshall trying to find number 77.
Off the field, goal kick for Beto. Chilling on Bolton. First off, Samar, Floyd, Samar. Tick tock, Samar.
Yes.
Cruise control, Paddle.
Yes, we've been treated.
Paddle, Ernest.
We've been graced tonight once again with the youngest MC in the world.
Come on,
He is back. The youngest MC is back with us tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, he took a little break. He took a little breather. Now he is back. Take it away, youngest MC.
For that live. Right for that live. Big kick. Papa. Floor. 11, bring it back. Robert Mendoza. Robert. Back to number 11, Marshall. Bring it back to Mendoza. Lose control. Quad. Floor. With the give and go. Here, Castro.
Anytime I say what? Young Brothers team preparing for Beaton on the side. Wow. You know, Beaton will knock down anything. Beaton will knock down anything out of Briga. So we gotta say that. Alright, this is a powerful team. They're not playing to their potential tonight, but don't take Beaton lightly. Don't take Beaton lightly.
Robert Mendoza in the center. Shamar, tick tock, off the field. Karaki.
Yes. Are they going to get a Good Friday treat? Who knows? Who is going to get an Easter treat tonight? Head out there by Beaton, Bakaton goalkeeper came out there. Number 10 Mendoza trying to chip that ball over. But it's going to be a goal kick there for Beaton Bakaton. The guys from Beaton Bakaton. Ladies and gentlemen, you could hear the youngest MCs in and out, right? In and out. So we understand. We understand his feelings. We understand about his team, right? So please bear with us tonight, ladies and gentlemen. The youngest MC is not coming in like how we used to feel it. We know they feel now tonight because then his team is taking a big basso.
Right now, game is 1-0. First half, 1-0. Game 3, close out week 8. That's how we do it inside Carnival Stadium. When you have a 5:30, big up game 1. Big up HB, big victory, HB, knockout, qualifying, 9 game 2. I'm going to jump. What? I'm in. Alright now, first half, 1-0. Game 3, I'm in love. Beat up 1-0.
There you go. Tell him, Pac. There you go right there. That's the
Active, let's let it out. Turn it out, Zoo. Bring it back to Papa. Yes, we're going to hit half time. Bring it across. Yes, half time. Game 3. Walk around up. 1-4 to them.
Hey.
Walk it down, see it.
Yeah, they want to know if you get the hot cross bun already for him.
Yeah, man.
The score, look. You guys look at the score. 2 goes to 1 goes to 0. Sorry, 1 goes to 0 in favor
Right
of.
now, we get down, see it. To the big boss, the godfather of the godfather of Puntaran.
Sweet bean.
Chico Ramos, I don't see it today. Ay, Hagaya.
This is the youngest MC in the world. Now he is.
Chico
This is the youngest MC
Ramos.
Youngest MC in the world.